video of everyone coming in to meet the Crosscutters.
My name is Sarah Hauser, and I'm in the booster club here, and I like the Crosscutters a lot.
Okay, is this your first year here?
No, I've been coming for a couple years.
And where do you go to school?
Williamsport Area High School,
Okay, what grade?
12th grade.
What do you like about the Crosscutters?
They play good and they use their effort a lot.
Okay, you know anyone on this team?
No, not now, not yet.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, I've been here year after year.
What's your name?
My name is, my real name is Bill Henry, and they call me Hank Henry.
Okay.
I've been here since, I've been here years and years ago, but I just started coming back in 1999.
What do you like about the Crosscutters?
Well, I like the one who's the Pirates affiliation. You know, the Phillies is not my team, but you know, I can bear with that.
Okay.
Okay.
You work for the,
I'm in the booster club I've been in the booster club since '99, and I'm enjoying it. And I meet all kinds of people, and you know, I just like coming here and doing it. You know.
Okay. Thank you, Hank.
All right, thanks, John.
Here they come, the opening of the Crosscutters Meet the Players Night, Saturday, June 15th. Boomer having fun with the kids. Always a big attraction at Historic Bowman Field. Todd the Voice Bartley interviewing some of the players. A production of WOLnews.com.